5 friends, 1 broken fence, 1 choice that changed everything. Liam knocked it over by accident. Just an old wooden fence around a farmer's orchard. No one saw it happen. He begged the others to stay quiet, to just walk away and pretend it never happened. They almost did. But the next morning, Maya talked everyone into going back. All 5 of them stood at that farmer's door, nervous and honest, and told him exactly what happened. The farmer could have been furious. Instead, he smiled. "It takes real courage to admit a mistake," he said. They spent the whole day fixing what they broke, repairing the fence, picking apples side by side. Before they left, the farmer handed them a basket of fresh fruit and said their honesty was worth far more than any fence. Walking home, something felt different between them. Not because they fixed the fence, but because they chose honesty when lying would have been so much easier. That's what real friendship looks like. Not covering for each other, standing up with each other.